Thank you so much. To all our successful examinees, of course to our very special guest, Honorable Secretary Benvenido Guesma, to my fellow Commissioner Jose Cueto Jr., Professional Regulatory Board of Nursing, chaired by Honorable LCT, with members Honorable Carmelita Divina Gracia, Honorable Zenaida Gagno, Honorable Elizabeth Legrito, Honorable Mary Lou Ong, Honorable Lea Primitiva Pakis, and Honorable Merly Salvani, to officers and members of the Philippine Nurses Association Incorporated, headed by its National President, Mr. Melvin Miranda, our distinguished guest, of course, Yusek Ami Torres. Hello, ma'am. Dear families and friends, a very stormy afternoon to all of you. I am to introduce our very special guest, but before that, my warmest congratulations to all of you who successfully hurdled the May 2023 Nurses Licensure Examination administered by the Professional Regulatory Board of Nursing. Now you're about to take your professional's oath, so congratulations. Our theme, Filipino Nurses, a Force for Local and Global Health, exemplifies the quality of Filipino nurses that have been produced throughout the years. It not only shows how they are competitive on a global scale, but also how they are establishing the benchmark in the profession. We, the Professional Regulation Commission, are confident that you will embark on this noble profession, bearing in mind to serve and help others far more than the profession itself serves and helps you. Pero sana, tulungan muna natin ang ating bayan.
Yes.
But of course, we are not here to stop you from embarking on finding greener pastures, pero maganda rin po na magsilbi rin tayo sa ating bayan. So may you exert continuous effort to grow both professionally and personally as you practice your profession. So once again, congratulations to all of you.
Yay!